Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I'm showing off this. It's my new Row and Ride by Sunny Health. I've been using their products for a while. If you look in the background, you can see I have their elliptical, I have their bike, I have their Stairmaster, and other stuff, including the rowing machine. But this is my new favorite for working out those quads and getting those glutes going. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So one of my favorite things is the adjustable resistance. It has these bands, which you can take off. Each band adds 22 pounds of resistance. So you take the bands off and you're basically doing an assisted squat, making it easier to do this because you can use your arms for help than a regular squat. But you add in these bands, all three, and it's like 66 pounds of additional resistance. Now you can just put 1, 2, or 3, 22, 44, or 66 pounds, and this thing's absolutely fantastic. Now it is adjustable, so my wife who's 4'9" can use the handlebar in this setting, and me, who's a little bit bigger, 6'2", can put it all the way up here, so about a foot of give, as well as adjustment on the seat, where you can pull the seat up, so this is good for pretty much people of all sizes. Comes practically set up, real easy to work with. And for me, I just started to notice I was having atrophy. I wasn't having the quads that I used to have. My butt wasn't as firm as it used to be. So I decided I needed to start doing squats again. And you know, not everyone likes to do weighted squats. It starts being a lot of wear and tear on your knees. So this gets rid of a lot of the potential for wear and tear. Me as a bigger guy, I was getting pain right up here at the top of my knee when I would do regular squats or weighted squats. But this machine allows me to assist with my hands, grab on, and it eliminates the tear right here. So it's a lot healthier if you're trying to work out and maybe your knees are not what they're supposed to be, what they used to be anyway. Okay, now this is something that when you're new to it, just doing 5 or 10 is gonna be a real workout. As you get better, 50 or 60 are gonna be a real difference. So you can get a great workout here and you can adjust it for your level. Add those resistance bands on the back and really get a great workout. All right, now hopefully by now we've showed you some overlays of the adjustment of this handlebar for your height. This adjusts in the back, just same type of thing, forward and back. You just step up and you can do this just about anywhere. It is not oversized, but you're getting a heck of a workout machine in a condensed spot. All right, now we all know that getting in shape is important. Starting to get those quads, getting your backside, getting your hamstrings is going to be important for all of us. So, like I said, just sit down and you're getting a great workout, all right? I'm gonna tell you what, if I do a few of these, you're gonna see me real winded real quick. All right, folks. So let me go ahead and show this product up close. That way you get a feel for it. But if you're asking if I think you should pick this up, the answer is heck yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, let me go ahead and show you this bad boy up close. All right, in terms of quality, really fantastic. Rubberized handles that are soft to the hand. Keeps a count of how many squats you did, as well as a calorie count, your time, and scan. Sunny is known for being anti-corrosive, easy to put together, and just a great fit and finish. Sunny, this is the Row and Ride. And I gotta say, a lot of things don't have the most comfortable seat, but because this is a large flat seat, this isn't gonna bother your backside either. All right, folks, so go ahead and pick it up. You can see the adjustable straps on the back. You can see the pins to adjust the forward and back of the seat, just pull, and the pin so you can adjust the height. Really high quality, fantastic products from Sunny, and as I said before, got the Sunny rowing machine, Sunny bike, and the Sunny elliptical, as well as now this squat machine, the Row and Ride. Go ahead and pick yours up, you won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We show you products we own, we love, and we know you're gonna love. Well, guess what? I own it, I love it, I know you're gonna love it too. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Go ahead, Pick it up, you won't be disappointed. Adios, amigos.